Check, mic check.
Too much crime and violence in a Jamaica. Too much. Jamaica is paradise in my opinion, you know. The only thing what mess up Jamaica are just a few people, you know. A few people were just now on the meds. So today's topic is about crime and violence in Jamaica. And in my opinion, in my humble opinion, crime and violence is out of control, and for a very small country I think it is too concentrated, it is too much. You see me? I was in Jamaica a few months ago and I heard on the news that 13 people got shot in a community in Clarendon one time. 13 of them get shot. 7 died. One being a 7-year-old youth, a kid. And I think 2 were old people. I don't remember. But jeez, like, what was that? What the look of you do? Nobody for deserve that. Like, what the old man are the one do for deserve that. I'm not get that. You see me? I just feel like, bro, like, what the cause of this senseless killing? Like, why? Is it ego? Is it hunger? What is the cause? I don't know, and I really want to find out because we need to fix it. You get what I say? Yeah, it's senseless. I'm gonna like it. Before I cut, I hear say 5 people get shot up at Rockfort on one football field. I think all of them dead. Don't quote me, I'm not sure. But the fact that 5 person get shot one time. Them thing that have me pretty deep, yo. Is it me only America? I can compare to Jamaica because America have the little mass killing them on rare. But I gotta check the statistics because I don't understand why Jamaica have so much crime and violence going on, is it me? So it really taint the name of our country. And we have a very beautiful country. People across the world would die to live in Jamaica. People across the world want to move their lives to Jamaica because of the weather and the tropics, the lushness, the beauty, the beaches, the food, the women, the guys, everything. Jamaica just nice. But it does have some few people where I mess it up, and me want just use this opportunity for just, you know, what me think are the cause of all of this. Are some of the causes. The main one, everybody know, poverty, ATA, that one name. Everybody know that. Yeah, you have youths in the ghetto where them hungry, now no money in them pocket, but them have a gun and it a shot. What you expect we to do? What you expect them to do? You see me? It kinda, I not justify it because it wrong and it no make no sense. And them put themselves in whatever positions they are in because of their circumstances. Everybody have an excuse why them do this and why them do that. But reality is, I want to put myself in the spot at the same breath because I had the opportunity to go into all of these things. Thankfully, I had a mom that used to bust my ass the right way and I have a little sense. So I learned from my mistakes early on in my life. So with that being said, I feel like poverty is the lead cause right now. And the reason why I think the country is so poor is just because the money is not being circulated properly, it's not being spent properly. I feel like there are so many levels of corruption in politics where everybody just want money in them pocket basically. Them not really want to do what them need for do for make the country better. Them want to do what them need for do for make them pocket better and make them family better. And that leave a section of people over here so now hungry and I go do whatever them need for them eat food or them family or whatever. So I think that's one of the main reasons. I feel like, yeah, and some people just not ambitious. You know, it's like they can born in a poverty and still fight the fight and make it out, you see me? Even the odds are against you because in my head, in my opinion, I think I'm a product of the ghetto. And as I said, I did have the opportunity to do a lot of madness. I just choose the next way out. Like computers, I like cameras, I like girls. I don't like guns. Like, that's not my thing. I have no form of, what you call it now, interest in that. Like, as a man, most guys always feel like they must have some form of interest in them thing. But the only interest I have in it is when I play Call of Duty and Fortnite or Counter-Strike or whatever the case is. But the next reason why I think there's so much crime and violence in Jamaica, and reason with me, you know, leave in a comment below. Tell me if you think me right or I'm wrong. Tell me if I not make no sense. To tell me what you think. The next reason I feel like so much crime and violence there is because of brain drain. That's something I made as of lately. Brain drain. It's like all of the good people, the smart people, I leave the country for find a better life in a next country because of the infrastructures that are available and stuff like that. And you know what that lead to? A concentrated amount of, they call them people, when it's so bright. You have a more concentrated number of them in the country, like it more, too much of them the one place, so it'll lead to this and it'll lead to that. And nobody can tell me that I go on. You see me? It's like I'm sitting down and I look priest, all of my brethren, them they're all over the world. Right now, like all of my close friends, them, if them know they're Canada, them they're America, if them know they're America, them they wherever them they. And they, because they want a better life, them educated, them have them this and them have them that, but they want a better life, so they choose another country. And while we could have there Jamaica be the agent of change and all of them things, they were run from the country because we are fearful life. You see me? Them did kill Malcolm X and Malcolm. Let's not get into that. But yeah, I feel like that a lead. That's one of the strongest reasons cause like so much crime and so much violence. And I just, as of lately, I meditate and I say, yo, if everybody was smarter cut, you left the dunce them. And then the dunce is now a thing in Jamaica. Like, it's not a thing like dunce. Like, it is a slang, it's a saying, it's a way of life, it's a cultural thing that's going on where I don't really understand, but them a do what them a do. And it goes as kids music very influential, so because this dance thing then every song and every artist has sing about it and I talk about it. Everybody aspire for be dance now. And if them not aspire for be dance, them aspire for be a scammer. If them not aspire for be a scammer, them aspire for be a bad man. And because this are leading to the third reason why I feel like this are going to Jamaica. The music influence. Music are one of our strongest thing them in Jamaica. Like how tourism is like our main source of income as like a country. Music is a very big part of this thing will keep the country going, like a lot of great musicians come from Jamaica, a lot of them live in Jamaica, a lot of them, you see me? And right now the artists them are up on top, them are sing about a thing named dance and a thing named scam and a thing named what the baddest man, you see me? So I don't know, see if you can fix that up please, because I've heard people say before, Vibes Cartel said it before, that he's just a poet painting like the picture of where my experience around him. He's not necessarily influencing or influence people for do whatever. But if you be real with yourself, you have to admit say music have influence. You see me? And even though I can't look upon you and say a your fault this or your fault that, but everybody have a role for playing in a society, and I just feel like say as a father or as a man or reach a certain age in a life, like have responsibilities, because at the end of the day are the same pitney them all live in the same country or family call home. So if you can do something to make it better, why not? Like, it not gonna hurt. You get what I say? That's just my opinion, my humble opinion. But to each his own, and I hope somebody out there watch this and just like, instead of going to the studio go sing something crazy, just do something uplifting and something motivating. I rate Bussweh for his speech, and like, even though Afrobeats him do that talk about him, say nobody not sing about freedom and leading the people and liberty and them thing that were Bob Marley used to sing about, and all of them top man they like back in the days. Everybody now just a sing about woman and who have the nicest chain and who are the top man and all of them thing there. You get me? Same all over and over again. Whatever. But lastly, I feel like one of the things that lead to the violence as well in our country are the hustle mentality. I feel like everybody out there is a hustler, and I just feel like even if somebody have money, them still like a hustler. It's just out there just have a hustling mentality. You know them way there? It's like I do videography, and a lot of the times even the artists them try hustle me. Them try era. I'm do 3 video and era. You gotta do end up do all of my video them. So just give me a discount on that first one, and I don't know you are responsible. Them always have some little hustling thing I try to go on with. That's probably not the best example, but people that's always a try. And if you go downtown, you're gonna know, say facts. If you live on the beach, them are the same thing. Everybody that's always a try one up, and because I feel like because of like the state of the economy and all of that, is like people just always feel like if them can make an extra dollar, them are gonna do it. Them are gonna try it. You get me? Yeah, the brother did come in from some foreign country one time where they do him do cooking, him do food vlog. So him try go different places and try different food, and he came to Jamaica and he was like, yo, one thing about Jamaican people, them a go always want them money. And when him said that, I found that so interesting, because he's a youth who go over across the world and many different places, and him have a very huge following. So people are always quick to like give him free food, because if him shout out them thing, them more likely to get a bag of customers and all of that. But the man saying him go Jamaica, nobody nah give no free food for that. Them a go give the food, you know, but them a go want the money. And them a want to look extra on it too, cause a foreigner come from a influencer. And them not look on the long term glory of your a shout out or this or that. No, them just want money in them hand right now. Cause here was needful. Pay them bill, them can't test yo or whatever. You get me? So yeah, them thing there are the main things I think contribute to it. I think one thing I might left off is cost of living, which is also a factor in most of the things I'm gonna speak about. It are the reason why people feel like them have to hustle. And if you have any other reasons why you think our country is plagued by so much crime and so much violence, let me know below. Literally, I just want to have these conversations to kind of like open up these topics and kind of understand more like what really take place, and to see what we can do for like be an agent of change. Is it not for be some crazy movement of 1 million people? Can just start from a few people. I want to know where this might go. So let's just have a conversation and let's see how best we can just work on making our country like the paradise that it really is. You see me? Them love our country, so we need for just love it too. And it all starts from like we loving each other and respecting each other and all of them things there. But thank you guys for subscribing, thank you guys for watching this video, and remember to click that like button.